The 2020 Ioniq Limited offers the Harman Kardon system, and that's going to be only available on the limited trim level for the Ioniq. So the Ioniq Limited is going to be offering you guys 8 speakers, and that's going to be included with a subwoofer for the Harman Kardon system. All right, you guys, we're going to dive into the sound setting now on the Ioniq. First, we're going to be going to the setup, then we're going to be going on to sound, and then here we're going to be able to kind of change a little bit of everything that we're using inside the vehicle. Your first settings are going to be sound tuning, and that's pretty traditional with the treble, the mid-range, and the bass. Next, you're going to go to driving guidance. This is going to be pretty much for when you ever are going into reverse. You can actually have the audio go lower, and then you're going to have some of your sounds for the navigation as well. So then we're going to go to system settings here. Now we're going to have a subsystem volumes. That's pretty much meaning all the little beeps that you're hearing when I'm clicking. When your phone rings, you can change the ringtone volume, voice recognition, voice prompts. If we scroll up a little bit, you're going to have the navigation guidance. So you can go ahead and adjust these for however you like, just based off your preference. We're going to go back. Now the next one's going to be the connected devices volume. So that's just depending on whether you're on Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. You can go ahead and change the volumes there. And the last one's on the speed dependent volume. That's going to be pretty much bringing your noise up higher depending on how fast you're going inside the vehicle. FM radio noise control. This is pretty much for the background noise when you're listening to the FM stations. So you have the original, minimum, and maximum. Now if you change things and you want to reset them, all you got to go back down to the reset, push reset, say yes, and then everything will be set back to the factory defaults. All right, you guys, you also see there's a little beep button here. So that's every time I touch something, it's going to do a little beep. Now you can turn that beep off if you ever want to. You just got to push it. Beeped when I push it, but now when I flip through, no beeps are going. Push it on again. And of course you can hear the beeps. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube page and also check out the other vehicles that we have in our playlist section.